you want me to help?
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't look nice. It looks nice because it's good for my teeth. It's good for my teeth.
Okay,
The
hang on.
dogs drink a lot of water.
They do.
So you better give them a lot of water.
I did.
And did you?
Yeah.
And then I drink all of it.
They don't drink all of it at once, but they do drink a lot.
Why do I drink Why did I drink a lot? Oh. I like oranges. They're my favourites.
Yeah, these are
They're
yummy,
good for
aren't
my
they?
teeth. But those aren't good for my
No.
teeth because they're yucky for my teeth.
Yeah.
That's what my daddy says. That's what my daddy said.
Is he right?
Yeah, he's
How
right.
you think you can do it from here?
Yeah. I think I might. Hi, but I can...
Good.
Hi.
Well, you got it?